How to redeem 3 months YouTube Premium. In this video, I will show you how can you easily redeem the membership of YouTube Premium for 3 months. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open the YouTube application in your mobile device. Go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner and click on settings. Then after, you will see the option of purchases and membership. Simply click on it. Then after you see the option of premium, simply click on learn more. Now, here you can see a lot of plans: student plan, individual premium, family, and also a student plan. Choose the particular plan from premiumship which you want and click on get YouTube Premium. Once you do so, you will see the option to provide your payment details. Now, while you provide your details, you see the option of trying the YouTube Premium option free of cost for some time. So simply choose that option and you only need to provide your details but don't have to pay the payment right at the moment. Once that free time period is finished, you have to make the payment. So that's it. That is how easily you can redeem YouTube Premium. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.